Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Spocket for dropshipping. Honest review. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects online retailers with suppliers, primarily in the US and Europe, offering faster shipping compared to traditional methods. One of its biggest pros is delivery speed, usually just 2 to 5 days, along with vetted suppliers, quality products, and seamless integration with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. You can even order product samples to check quality yourself. However, there are some drawbacks, as Pocket runs on a subscription model that may feel pricey for beginners, and its product variety is more limited than larger platforms. Profit margins can also be tighter due to higher product costs, and some users have reported issues with customer support and billing. Overall, Pocket is great for reliable, fast shipping, and quality products, but make sure to weigh the subscription costs and variety limitations before diving in. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.